Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a rose. Let's start off by drawing a really curly line that looks like the top part of a question mark. Then add a C-shaped line that comes down and across the bottom like so. Mirror that on the right side as well, but slightly bigger. On the left side, start from the top here this time and come around like so. Then, mirror that on the right side but slightly bigger. For the last layer of petals, a line from this point here that curves down into a big S shape like so. Finally, a line starting from the right side that ends at the S shape here. To finish off the petals, draw a line coming down from here that bends to the right and ends at the bottom of the S shape. And do the same on the right side as well. Underneath, draw the base of the flower with an upside down crown shape like this. And for the stem, two long lines that curve gently down, with a line across at the bottom to close it out. Then, add two curved leaf shapes out from either side, with a line down the middle like so. And now you got a rose! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.